Hello everyone, welcome to ErLIVE webinar again. My name is Hakan and I am an area sales manager. Today we have one of the most popular machines in sheet metal industry that we can see in almost every single workshop. Press brake, bending press or upcon press. There are thousands of machines in the market. Some of them are very old with manual operating, some of them are NC controlled, some CNC, and nowadays electrical machines are getting more and more popular. Press brake is also the very first machine that ErMaxan manufactured 55 years ago. Let's take a look at the journey of ErMaxan in the past half a century before we start.
What makes technology to develop is the fantasies to meet the requirements of humanity. Being an architect of future is related with the significance you put and investment you make on the creativity. Adopting the principle of being innovative in developing technology with creative thinking, ErMaxan has a history of more than half a century and has been producing machines that bring life and technology together and that create value in the light of scientific data. Founded in 1965 in a small workshop with this notion and having a history full of success for half a century, ErMaxan is moving towards the future confidently. With its innovative perspective of the 21st century, its investments in the fields of technology and R&D, ErMaxan has succeeded to become one of the world leaders in its field today. As a leading industrial corporation, steering the sheet metal machining machinery industry with its strong R&D, producing high-quality and high-technology machines with its qualified team of 1,000 people in its modern production facilities with an area of 100,000 square meters. ErMaxan continues its R&D studies for future, such as fiber laser technologies, new machine models, Industry 4.0 applications, and 3D printer machines in its R&D center with an area of 10,000 square meters. The principle of innovative technology adopted by ErMaxan become the corporate culture of the company as the time passed by, implementing many major R&D projects every year in order to improve the capabilities of the machines it manufactures, to meet the market demands and to improve customer satisfaction. ErMaxan creates technologies based on science with its research team of more than 100 engineers who are experts of their fields. ErMaxan R&D Center, located in Turkey and certified by the Ministry of Science, Industry and Technology, implements many innovations on machinery industry by organizing a separate teamwork for each project with advisors from reputable universities. Manufacturing many products such as laser cutting machines, laser resonators, belted servo bending presses, 3D metal additive manufacturing machines that make an impressive throughout the world, ErMaxan continues its R&D activities in a patent-oriented manner, continuing its investments on technology. ErMaxan has produced Turkey's first laser chip and laser resonator in its R&D center, established with an investment of 40 million euros. This achievement made Turkey one of the few countries in the world capable of such production. Its competitive identity in the global market, its expertise in laser cutting machines, and its flexible solutions offered for different requirements have made ErMaxan the leader of its industry. attending more than 50 global exhibitions, particularly FabTech, USA, ErLIVE, Germany, and MWCS, China. Ermexon has brought its marketing, sales, and after-sales services to a global level, building these on the principle of unconditional customer satisfaction with its wide network structure abroad. Ermexon's motivation is to achieve its future goals by making effective studies in areas such as protection and sustainability of the resources while developing the green technology of the future. We develop our technology based on science. Here, we are in Ermexon. The future is built here.
Yes, press brakes are a very common machine, but the one I have here behind me is not the one we can see very often. It's a 6 meter, 1600 ton capacity heavy-duty machine. Ermexon manufactured many of these custom-designed big capacity machines, and they are now working all around the world in the different industries like shipyards, railways, power plants, and defense industries. Let's take a look at some of these machines now. Thanks for all these customers trusted Ermexon for their heavy-duty production. If we closely look at the machine, rigid frame with the special material we use give us high-quality production capacity for many years. All these parts are machined with the high-technology equipment in Ermexon production line. While we offer customized solutions to our customers, we are making production more flexible, efficient, and offering the most cost-optimized solutions. We pride ourselves on contributing to the smart production process in the fourth industrial revolution. special materials and applications on cylinders and pistons give us high quality, non-stop production even under difficult production conditions. With the 1,600 ton power capacity and special tools, we have very wide range of bending capacity, which is from very thin sheets to the very heavy parts. That means we have up to 35 mm bending capacity on 6.1 meter length. 4.9 meter distance between the frames and 610 mm tooth depth allow us to bend wider parts without any problem. With this rigid frame, linear scales, hydraulic systems and high quality components, we can get minus plus 0.5 degree bending accuracy. Now let's take a look at some bending process on the machine and see how it can increase your bending capacity. We have a user-friendly 2D Dell ER70 controller in this machine. It has up to 5 axis controlling capacity and automatic bending sequence. Customers prefer this controller because of all their existing machines have the same controller. So operator will continue using the same controller, same programs on this brand new machine too. We have a different controller options for different process. So my colleague Ufuk will show us different controllers and their advantages to us.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ermaksan Factory. Today I will give you information about the press brake and press brake controller. Basically the very most popular brand of the controller behind of the me. Sibelec, Delam and my produce from ErTouch. We will give the information of the Sibelec controller. I will inform you the Sibelec base model from the ErTouch 12. This is 2D graphical and numerical basic controller. This controller is only configuration from the 4 axes Y1, Y2, X and R. This machine is also 3 axes. If you bend this kind of product, this controller is the best choice for you. As you know, all press brake is making the same job, sheet metal. Now I can explain to another controller, another brand and higher configuration controller. Different brand is Delam 66 Touch. Delam 66 Touch is 2D controller also, but 3D view. If you make this kind of little bit complicated part, Delam 66 Touch is best controller for you. Delam 66 Touch is maximum 16 axes is configured. What means, the low setup time and user-friendly controller. Right now, I can explain to you, 2D base model which is the Sibelec 12 and Delam 66 Touch. Right now, I will explain to you, my own controller, ErTouch. I will introduce the ErTouch controller, which we designed by listening to you completely and base it on your feedback. The most important thing, we aimed at really designing this controller from the user-friendly. We have added the over 55 years experience to this project. We are our own software developers work. Equipment with the latest and most advanced hardware, AirTouch run on the Windows 10 platform. If the internet connection is made, we provide the quick solution with the provide remote service and fulfilling for your programs. We care about your production and we don't want to stop your machine. For this, we did Industry 4.0. AirTouch has a user information from operators knows about how many parts, how many products, and how many production time. This means Industry 4.0 for options. But first of all, these options come with the with AirTouch. AirTouch has a two packaging, basic and master. Do you remember? I will show you first from the select basic model and DLM 2D controller. With AirTouch, everything's be inside. Just you need to change the code. If you buy the base model, for example, and then next time your part is a little bit complicated, you need to upgrade them all. You never need to change the hardware. You just changing from the option code. Then controllers upgrading from the 2D and also new features is coming soon. The Pro version is 3D. Right now I will show to you how to make the program so simple. Go this page, say new program, then enter the program name. Doesn't matter the name. And material thickness. Okay, and material type. Okay, no comment. The next one, go to the see here. That much simple. And go to numerical, program, and bending simulation. AirTouch find the solution is very quickly. See here to 3D, looking from the part, the arm position, then go to the simulation page. See, my part should be here. And AirTouch making the real-time simulation. That's it, program is ready to run. Very, very, very low setup time. Thank you very much for watching me. See you soon.
We have hydromechanical crawling system on this machine that can communicate with the CNC controller and ensures a cool bending angle at every single point on full 6-meter length. It's a special design for heavy tonnage machine and it has an easy maintenance compared to the other cloning options. One of the other important components on the press brake is baggage. We have up to 6-axis baggage systems according to the customer's product design. These can support thin sheets or special designs for heavy parts. We can also offer CNC controlled front support arms to support sheet in the front while bending process. Now Ufuk, can you please show us a different baggage system what you have?
Thanks, Hakan. Hello again. I will going to inform you most important part of the press brake in baggage and baggage types. Ermaxan produced 5 different types of baggage. Single axis, 2 axis, 4 axis, 5 axis and 6 axis, means ATF type. First of all, I will show to you single axis baggage. Right here. The single axis baggage is only from X axis for motorizer. All other axes by manual. I will show to you, this is from the Z axis and this is from the R axis by manual. And single axis baggage is 2 linear guide, left on right, 1 heavy duty boss screw is work with it. The back gauge tolerance is 100.1 millimeter. You see here for the 4-axis back gauge. Most popular back gauge customer choice. This back gauge is X, R, Z1 and Z2 axis. All axes control from the AC servo driver. This back gauge tolerance 0.1 millimeter. If you make it to this kind of part, you need to choose this kind of back gauge. Now I will show to you my higher technology 6-axis ATF type back gauge. This is a 6-axis back gauge, ATF type. X1, X2, R1, R2, Z1, Z2. If you have this kind of complicated box banding or cross band, you need to be choosing from this kind of back gauge. Thank you for joining us as an Ermaksan customer.
Customer preferred an ErMaxan long time ago when he invested in his first machine and became a regular customer of us. Now having several ErMaxan machines in his production line and waiting for this big one to arrive soon. See what he says about us now.
Good day, I'm Andrew Westphal, Managing Director of ErLIVE and a long-term customer of ErMaxan. We're a specialized fabrication shop and service center based in Johannesburg, South Africa. We supply many industries such as mining, petroleum, gas and solar. Over the last decade, we've invested in 4 ErMaxan machines and are now adding to our capabilities with a 6-meter, 1600-ton press brake. We get great reliability from the ErMax machines with minimal downtime and great backup service. We'll be using our new press brake to add to our own manufacturing capability for large fabrications and offering our services to our clients for their bending requirements. I can strongly recommend that you rely on ErMaxan as your partner, as ErLIVE has done for the last decade.
Thank you, Andrew, for long-year cooperation. We all have in difficult days during COVID-19 pandemic. Traveling abroad is getting more and more risky. Therefore, we will continue supporting our customers by these live webinar series. Please always feel free to call us for any information if you need. Thanks for joining us today and hope to meet you again soon.